Imagine a company that helps machines see the world in 3D. A company whose technology powers self-driving cars, delivery robots, and even smart traffic lights. It's not Google. It's not NVIDIA. But this tiny player has a piece of tech that every AI system in the real world desperately needs, and yet, its stock trades for less than a cup of coffee. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most overlooked companies in the AI revolution. I'll reveal the name in just a moment. But first, let's understand why this tiny sector could be the next big boom for penny stock investors. AI is exploding everywhere, from chatbots to trading. Bots, but one of the fastest growing frontiers right now isn't digital intelligence. It's visual intelligence, giving machines the ability to see, recognize, and react to the world around them in real time. We're talking about autonomous cars that spot pedestrians, drones that scan forests, robots that navigate warehouses, and even cities that monitor traffic using AI cameras and sensors. Industry analysts estimate that the global machine vision market could surpass $40 billion by 2030. That's massive. And right now, very few companies dominate this hardware plus AI space. Most investors are still chasing the big names, NVIDIA, Palantir, Google, while missing the smaller, high-risk, high-reward opportunities that quietly sit below the radar. And that's exactly why penny stock hunters like us pay attention to these forgotten corners of the market. Because when you find a small company positioned in a trillion-dollar trend and the market hasn't noticed yet, that's where the big percentage gains often come from. Now, before I reveal the name, let's talk about how the market treats these small AI plays. NASDAQ requires most listed companies to stay above $1 per share, which means very few true AI companies trade at this range. The ones that do are often fighting hard to survive, but if they turn around, the reward can be insane. So think of this as looking for that spark just before ignition. Now, imagine a company building the eyes of the AI world. Sensors that allow machines to perceive depth, distance, and motion. A company whose technology is used not only in cars, but in smart infrastructure projects across North America, Asia, and Europe. A company that started as an innovator in 3D sensing lost its spotlight, but could now be gearing up for a massive comeback as AI and robotics demand vision hardware again. Sounds interesting, right? That company is Velodyne LiDAR, ticker symbol VLDR. Velodyne is one of the pioneers of LiDAR technology, that's laser radar, which allows machines to see their surroundings by sending out light pulses and measuring reflections to create a 3D map of the environment. You've seen those spinning sensors on top of autonomous cars? That's LiDAR. Velodyne practically invented it. And they're now combining those sensors with artificial intelligence software to make entire systems smarter, faster, and safer. Velodyne isn't just building hardware. In 2022, they acquired a Canadian AI company called Blue City. That deal added a layer of smart analytics on top of their sensors. Their systems can now not only detect cars and people, but also analyze behavior, manage traffic flow, and even help cities reduce accidents. That's why they call it the Intelligent Infrastructure Solution. In simple terms, they're turning dumb sensors into thinking machines. Their technology is already being used in multiple sectors. Autonomous delivery robots that navigate warehouses, drones that map industrial sites, and government projects that monitor intersections using real-time AI. They've partnered with AI to bring autonomous navigation to logistics and e-commerce. Robots, the kind that might be running warehouses for Amazon or Walmart. And that's what makes this story powerful for penny stock investors. The diversification of real-world use cases. This isn't just a bet on self-driving cars anymore. It's a play on the entire AI-driven machine vision revolution. Now, let's talk about why this stock could become a comeback story. Velodyne was once valued over $3 billion at its peak hype during the autonomous vehicle boom. But as that hype faded and competition grew, the stock crashed, now trading near penny levels at a fraction of its old value. But here's where it gets interesting. In early 2023, Velodyne merged with another LiDAR company called Ouster, combining their patents, manufacturing lines, and R&D into one stronger platform. Together, they hold one of the largest LiDAR intellectual property portfolios in the world. So when the AI hardware wave returns, and it will, this merged entity could be sitting on gold. And think about the timing. AI is moving beyond the computer screen. Every factory, every drone, every city camera needs to see. And LiDAR, with AI built in, might finally have its moment again. Velodyne's latest sensors are smaller, cheaper, and more energy efficient than ever, which means mass market adoption is getting closer. And here's the part penny stock traders love. When small companies catch even a little momentum from big trends, percentage moves can be wild. A stock under $1 can double or triple faster than large caps can blink. That's the beauty and the risk of this space, but let's be honest. Every potential rocket comes with turbulence. Velodyne has struggled with financial losses for years. Competition is intense. Rivals like Luminar, Innoviz, and Hesai are all fighting for the same autonomous vehicle contracts. If Velodyne can't lower production costs fast enough or secure new partnerships, it could face more pressure. And of course, any stock trading near $1 carries volatility, possible delisting threats, and liquidity risks. So this is not for the faint of heart. It's a pure speculative play for risk-tolerant traders who know how to ride waves, not just chase them. Still, there are reasons to watch closely. Governments worldwide are investing billions into smart city infrastructure, AI traffic control, pedestrian safety, and vehicle monitoring systems. Velodyne already has pilot programs running in multiple cities that use their intelligent infrastructure platform. The more these projects scale, the more revenue could flow through their AI software side, not just hardware. And with the combined strength of Ouster and Velodyne, cost-cutting could make LiDAR sensors affordable for mainstream adoption. That's the long-term catalyst smart investors should track. So, what's the takeaway here? Velodyne LiDAR is a bet on AI's ability to see the real world. It's the eyes of the machine age, from cars and robots to cities themselves. The stock is cheap, the risks are high, but the story is real. If this company can turn its technology leadership into consistent growth, it could easily move from forgotten penny stock to AI revival story. And even if it doesn't, it's still a fascinating case study of how innovation sometimes falls out of favor, and how early believers can profit when the market's memory returns. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's pure research and storytelling for educational and entertainment purposes. Penny stocks move fast, and risk management matters more than hype. So, what do you think? Could Velodyne make a comeback in the AI hardware race? Or is it another fallen hero? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the deep dive, and subscribe for more AI penny stock breakdowns. Because in this market, the next 10x story might already be trading under your radar, and under $1. So here's the bottom line. The AI revolution isn't just about software or chatbots. It's about machines seeing the world. And Velodyne LiDAR is right in the middle of that transformation. The price might be low, the risks might be high, but every massive run in history started with a stock nobody believed in. That's what makes penny stocks exciting. They're not about where the company is today, but where it could be tomorrow. If you've been around this channel, you know I don't hype, I highlight potential. And VLDR has that spark. It's a risky bet. But for those who love early-stage AI plays, it deserves a spot on the watch list. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Velodyne could rise again?